In this video, we're discussing the transfer module. First, we'll navigate to the transfer section and click on a transfer module. Once the interface opens, we'll see the transfer module management screen. Here, a table will show results for the transfer module. The purpose of the transfer module is to make transferring plots within our society easy by ensuring accurate data and efficient management of plot transfers. To add a new member transfer, click the Add Transferred button. Our transfer module form will open, showing various tabs. The first tab is Set Receive. Here, we'll first select Manual Set Receive Yes by checking the checkbox. Then, we'll choose the receive date and time. After that, we'll select who is submitting, agent, buyer, or seller, and who is receiving. Next, we'll select the transfer type and the token ID automatically generated. Then, we'll choose the transfer given date and time and submit the form by clicking Save and Next. After submitting the Set Receive form, the next tab, which is the Transfer tab, will open. Here, we'll enter the transfer date and time. Add the transfer fee, upload the fee slip document, upload the NOC document, and then submit the form by clicking Save and Next. In the next video, we'll explore the tabs for the seller and buyer.